Hi folks, it's Eddie at Alfaman, and I've got a VW EOS here. Come round this side, and what's happening, water is dripping through here. So to get the water to stop, I've checked the gutter. Here is a drain hole here, and it's blocked. The other side's clear, and what I've also done is I've taken the windscreen wiper arms off, which was a struggle, and I've cleared loads of debris out of the guttering here. I'll clean all that out. I'll air blast through here. Let's see how this is doing. It seems to be unblocked now, and I hope it won't be leaking anymore. So, on a lot of modern cars, the gutters in the channels get jammed. If they don't have gutters, the scuttle pan gets filled with earth, leaves. This car is 12 years old, and it was filled with garbage. So it's worthwhile on an older car, taking all this stuff out, cleaning, and getting rid of all this garbage. And then the water will drain through the car and not fill up and go into the cockpit. So it's Eddie at Alfaman in Harrow. If you have a car that you think might be blocked, you can always pop it around to me if you're local. Apart from that, stay well, stay safe, drive safely, and stay dry.